Exercise 1 of coordinate geometry chapter. Now let us discuss question number 3. As you can see in question number 3, they are saying determine if the point 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, 11 are collinear. So last day I have taught you property of being collinear. For example, 1, just wait, what happens? Oh, just give me 1 minute. Now just for example, this is point A and this is point B, and one more point we are having C. So first we will find distance between A and B, then we will find distance between B and C. Here AB plus BC should be equal to AC, meaning the distance between point A and B and A, if we are adding them, it should come equal to A and C. So if it is so, then we will say they are linear, otherwise they are not. So that is the property we are going to follow. Let us say point A is actually 1, 5, point B is 2, 3 and point C is minus 2, minus 11. So in first case we are going to find AC, meaning distance between A and C. Just look at the figure. This is point A and let's say this is point B. So for finding distance between them, we are going to use distance formula, and distance formula is what? Root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So this is our distance formula that we are going to apply for finding distance between A and B. Sorry, I have written A and C, I have to write A and B. So let's say our first point x1, y1, I am taking it equal to 1, 5. So now you know the value of x1 will be 1 and the value of y1 will be 5. Now I am taking x2, y2 as 2, 3. So now you know the value of x2 will be 2 and the value of y2 will be 3. Putting the values in our formula, so the AB will be equal to root of x1, which is, say with me, 1, minus value of x2, say with me, what is it? 2, plus value of y1, what is it? 5, minus value of y2, it is 3. Now we have to do square of it. Let us do it fast. 1 minus 2, Triton Roy, what is value of 1 minus 2? It will be minus 1, plus 5 minus 3, it is 2. So let us solve it. 1 square is minus 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. We will get root of 5, and you have to write units. Okay. Now let us do one thing. From here we will find distance between A and distance between B and C. Just imagine there is a point C. Now we are going to find distance between B and C. The same distance formula will be applied, which is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, which is in square root. So what is point B here? As we know, it is 2, 3, as you can see here. So we are taking it as x1, y1 now in our second approach. The point C, it is minus 2, minus 11, and I am taking it as x2, y2. Applying it in our formula, what we are going to get? So the value of x1, you can see here, it will be 2 minus the value of x2, value before comma, it is minus 2. So minus is already here, and 1 minus is all, this value is also negative, so it will be plus. We have studied that last day. On Saturday we have seen these type of problems. What is value of y1? As you can see, it is 3. Minus, what is value of y2? It is minus 11, so it will become plus. We have to do square of it. Let us solve it. 2 plus 2, 4, plus 11 plus 3 is 14. So now you should know what is square of 4 and what is square of 14. You should know 4 square is 16. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. Plus 14 square is 196. Please don't mind my writing. Just because I am not habitual of writing with pen tab, so my handwriting is not good today. 6 and 6, 12, 2 carries 1, 9, 1, 10, 1, 11 carries 1, 1 and 1, 2. So now we are having root of 2 and 2 units. So this is our BC. Now our motto is to find the distance between A and C. So now we are going to find AC. I want to draw a straight line, but I am not able to draw because I am not habitual of it, so please don't mind. So let us do one thing. I am writing here, you will not write, you just please note it down fast. Okay, if you want to note it down, please pause the video, then note it down. I am just going to solve it. The value of AB, it is root 5. I am writing it here because this part I am going to rub it. So let us do one thing. I am just rubbing this part. Okay, erased. So now we are going to find distance between A and C. As you can see, A is 1, 5, we have already written. Now we will take it as x1, y1. And the value of C I am going to take -2, -11, which I will say it is x2, y2. Now I am applying AC. What is AC? Root of, just say the formula with me, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So A and C, just ignore the B. So now value of AC, root of, what is value of x1? Just tell me. X1 before comma it is x1 and before comma it is 1. So value of x1 is going to be 1. What is value of x2? Actually it is x2. X2 is -2. So minus minus become plus. Plus. What is value of y1? You can see it is 5 minus. What is value of y2? -11. So this minus will become plus. Okay. So now look. 2 plus 1 is 3. 11 plus 5 is 16. So you should know what is square of 16. 3 square is 9. 16 square is 256. You can multiply 16 and 16 if you want. 9 plus 6 is 15. 5 carries 1. 5, 1, 6. Then 2. So we are having root of 265 units. It is value of AC. Now I am going to do one thing. AB plus BC. Just look here. AB, this is AB. And this is BC. AB plus BC. So if I am adding AB and BC, the value of AB is root 5. The value of BC is root 212. Because inside square root values are different, so we cannot add them. And as you can see, value of AC is root of 265. So here we can conclude AB plus BC are not equal to AC. So they are non-collinear. So the answer for question number 3, the points are not collinear. Okay. So if you want to note it down, pause the video, then note it. I am moving on next time. Now we are going to see question number 4. They are saying there are 3 points and we have to prove that they are vertices of an isosceles triangle. So Praveen, tell me, what is an isosceles triangle? I hope you have told it correct or not, I don't know. So just look on the board. Let's say there is a triangle ABC. If two sides of any triangle, two sides of a triangle are equal to each other, then we will say the triangle is isosceles triangle. The triangle is an isosceles triangle. So what we are going to do? There are 3 points. So let's say there is a triangle. The first point is 5, -2. I am considering this point as A. The point B, let's say it is 6, 4. The point C, let's say it is 7, -2. Say with me, don't be quiet. So now we are going to find first distance between A and B. So I am writing it here, AB. First we have to think these numbers as x1, y1, x2, y2. So that part I have missed here. So I am not writing it. I hope now you can determine easily what is x1, y1, x2, y2. So let us consider this point is x1, y1. So the formula is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now look. Okay, so I am considering this point as x1, y1. What is value of x1? As you can see, it is 5. What is value of x2? Let us say this point is x2, y2, because we are going to find distance between a and b now. So a is x1, y1, so b will be x2, y2. What is value of x2 here? As you can see, it is 6 plus the value of y1. As you can see, it is minus 2 minus, just focus on my cursor, the value of y2. This was x2, y2, so y2 will be 9. Actually it is 4, it is not 9, I have written it just like 9, it is 4. It is 4. So the value of y2 is 4. So let us solve it. 5 minus 6 is minus 1, square of minus 1 plus minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. Negative number I will always keep in bracket. When I am solving it, minus 1 square is 1, minus 6 square is 36. So it will come root of 37. Don't forget to write units. Okay. So now I am going to find distance between A and C. This distance. A and C. Directly I am going to find. Okay. So now x1, y1, x2, y2 you will think. x1 minus x2 whole square. This is appearing like x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, so this is my formula. Please don't mind my writing. So let us say this is x1, y1. What is value of x1 now? You can see it is 5. What is value of x2? You can see it is 7 plus y1. You can see it is minus 2. Okay, minus y2. y2 is also minus 2. So minus and minus will become plus. 5 minus 7, it is minus 2, minus 2, okay, I have not written 2 here. So minus 2 plus 2, they will be cancelled, I will get 0 here. So minus 2 square is what? 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0 is 4 and square root of 4 is 2. So the value is 2 units. Now we have to find distance between B and C. So here I am writing BC. Applying the formula directly, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Because in my screen there is not much space, so I am not writing again and again this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, but you will write. Let us consider this point as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. So let us put the value of x1, y1, value of x1 now, because we are finding BC now. So let us say the point B is x1, y1, point C is x2, y2. So what is value of x1? As you can see, it is 6. What is value of x2? This 7. So 6 minus 7. What is value of y1? You can see it is 4 and value of y2 is minus 2. So I am putting 4 minus, when minus 2 will come, this will become plus. So let us solve it. 6 minus 7 is minus 1 square plus 4 plus 2 is 6 square. Root of minus 1 square is 1, 6 square is 36. We are going to get square root of 37. So just look at this circle. What I am writing here, you will write after it. The AB is equal to BC because both are root of 37. So AB and BC. Don't forget to write units. So if AB is equal to BC, then triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle now, because measurement of two sides is equal. Now let us move for third question. Okay, now let us see question number 5 and 6. Just look at question number 5. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at a point A, B, C and D. As you can see, A, B, C and D. So before reading the question, let us do one thing. Let us locate all the points. Can you locate? We have studied in class 9 this point D. In x-axis it has moved 6 and in y-axis it has moved 1. Considering this is my y-axis and this is x-axis. So I am writing it here. Just 1 minute. I have to change the color. Actually it is white now. So let us say here I am writing. This is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. Just please don't mind it. Now I can change it. Okay, so this is my okay. Red color. Okay. Just 1 minute. So this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. Now look at point D. What is coordinate for it? You can see it is 6, 1. What is coordinate for C? In x-axis 9, in y-axis 4, so it will be 9, 4. What is coordinate for B? It will be 6, 7. What else? Coordinate for A, 3, 4. Now they are saying Chameli walk into the class, and after observing a few minutes, Champa asked Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Chameli disagrees. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. So what we are going to do, first we will find distance between them. Now you know this distance formula. I do think you can solve it. Then we will find B and C, then we will find C and D, and then we will find A and D. Actually, in class 9th syllabus, only class 10th syllabus, only distance formula is there. If all the distances are coming equal, then you will say it is a square. Otherwise, we know if all the distances, if all the side of a rectangle of any quadrilateral is same, then it is called as rhombus, not as square. For being square, here this angle should be 90 degree. So actually you have to do one more thing. First you will find AB, you have to find BC, you have to find CD, then you have to find DA. If all the sides are coming equal, then you will do one more thing. You will find distance between B and D, and then you will find distance between A and C. The distance between AB and AC will come different. AB will come equal to BC and CD and DA, but AC will be different from AB. AC, distance between A and C, it should be equal to B and D. If diagonals of this quadrilateral is also equal apart from side, then we will say it is rectangle. It is square. Because only rectangle and square are the quadrilateral in which diagonals are equal. So you will do that one thing. You will find AC and BD as well. If AC is equal to BD and AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, then you will say it is a square. Correct? No? Now in question number 6, it is just same. You will locate 4 point and you will write all the coordinates. Then you will find distance between A and B, B and C, C and D, D and A. And after finding the distance, you will tell what type of quadrilateral it is. If opposite sides are coming equal, then you will simply say parallelogram. If all the sides are coming equal, then you will say rhombus. That's it. Don't go for a square and quadrilateral. Okay. So that is question number 5 and 6. I hope you will solve. I am not going to explain it. If you are having doubt, you can discuss with your friends to solve it. I do think it is quite easy. You can solve it. So now coming on question number 7, just you can see, find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5 and -2, 9. That can be a tricky one. So what you have to do here, just look, this type of question can come in exam. I cannot say, just give me 1 minute, let us erase it. So let's say just look on the figure. Just imagine this is x-axis, this is y-axis, 2, -5. The value of x is positive and y is negative. So in which quadrant it should lie? Jaldi se bolo. Yes, x is positive, y is negative. It should be in fourth quadrant, 2 comma minus 5. Let us say it is here, and minus 2 comma 9. X is negative, y is positive. So in x axis we have to go minus 2, in y axis 9. Let us say a point is here, that is minus 2 comma 9. Okay, so there is a point. Now they are saying find the point on x axis which is equidistant from both the point, meaning there is a point on x axis. Let us say this is the point. We are finding distance between these 2 points and distance between these 2 points. Let us say this is A, this is B, and this is C. So from this point distance of this point, from this point distance of this point, these two distances will be same. The only clue given is this is point on x axis. So in x axis, if I am considering this point, let us say the value of x is x. Let us say x. What is value of y? In x axis, value of y is always 0. In class 9th we have studied, and it is quite obvious. In y axis we haven't moved any digit, so the value of y on x axis will be 0. So first look at the figure. We are going to find AB. Okay, so for AB, now I am writing it. Let us say x1 comma y1 is minus 2 comma 9, and let us say x2 comma y2 is x comma 0. We are applying distance formula directly, so I will write the formula. x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So let us do one thing, solve it. The value of x1, as you can see, it is minus 2. The value of x2, it is x. Okay, so let us do, just give me 1 minute. Let us put the value again. The value of x1, it is minus 2, minus value of x2, you can see it is x square, plus value of y1, you can see it is 9, minus value of y2, it is 0. So let us solve it. Minus 2 comma minus x, minus 2 minus x whole square, plus 9 minus 0 is 9. Now you will say, sir, how to solve minus 2 minus x whole square? So let me give you a clue. Just look here. Minus 2 minus x whole square. I am putting a big bracket. Okay, look here. From this small bracket, this square I have kept on the this square bracket. So minus I am taking common, 2 plus x, it will be 2 plus x. Why 2 plus x? Because if I am taking minus common, it will change the sign. Both are negative, both will become positive. Now I am squaring of it. It is negative. Square of negative number is positive. So from now, you just keep one thing in your mind. If square is there and you are seeing both the number negative, then simply treat them positive. Just simply treat them a plus b whole square. That negative sign is not having any impact now. So I am doing it directly. I am solving a minus b whole. It is appearing minus 2 minus x whole square, but we will say a plus b whole square. Just look here. A is 2, b is x. Ignore the minus. A square plus b square plus 2 ab. Can you apply the identity directly? Last year we have learned 9 square is 81. Now let us solve it. I am solving little bit directly. 81 plus 2 square is 4. It will be 85 plus x square plus 4x. Please don't mind my handwriting today. Once I will be habitual, it will be good. Now I am going to find distance between B and C. Just look. The value of B, which is x comma 0. Now I am considering it x1 comma y1. The value of C, which is 2 comma minus 5. I am considering it x2 comma y2. So what is value of BC here? Now root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus, say with me, y1 minus y2 whole square. Otherwise you will feel disconnected. You will feel sleepy if you are not repeating all the things with me. Please repeat with me. Whether I am not present there, please repeat the things with me. Okay. So now tell me, what is value of x1? Yes, it is x. What is value of x2? It is 2. Now you can see it is not minus x minus 2. So I will treat this a minus b now. If minus is here, then I can treat as x plus, a plus b. Plus, what is value of y1? Okay, it is 0. What is value of y2? Minus 5. So it will make this minus sign into plus. Let us solve it. X square, a square plus b square. B is 2a. Minus 2ab plus it will be 0 plus 5 square will directly 25. I am writing it directly. Now just look, 25 plus 2 square is 4. It will be 29 plus x square is here, minus 2 to the 4, 4x. Now in question itself it is said, find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from both the point, meaning this point B is having equal distance with A and equal distance with C. So I can say the AB is equal to BC. Now value of AB, which is 85 plus x square plus 4x, will be equal to BC, which is 29 root of 29 plus x square minus 4x. And you can compare them. Square root will be cancelled from both sides. We will have 85 plus x square plus 4x is equal to 29 plus x square minus 4x. So this x square I will send it there. It will become minus x square से x square cancel हो जाएगा. So I am cancelling it now. So I am not having a lot of space. So I am removing these things. If you want to note it down, just pause the video and note it down. Okay, now look. So we are having 85 plus 4x is equal to 29 minus 4x. So this minus 4x I will send it here. 4x minus 4x will come, it will become plus 4x. 29 is here. 85 will come here in minus 4 and 4, 8x. So look, we have to subtract it. 85 is bigger one. 15 minus 9 is 6. It is 7. Now it is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. It is minus 56 divided by 8. So the value of x will be minus 7. So what was our point B? It was x comma 0. Remember no? So the value of x is minus 7 and value of y is 0. So this is our desired point. Okay. If you want to note it down, note it down. I am just moving on next question. Okay. So now look at this question, question number 8. Find the value of y for which distance between these two points is 10 units. Like that question I have explained in classroom as well on Saturday, but for your convenience I am explaining it one more time. So just look, find the value of y for which distance between these two points is 10 units. So I am saying the point P, which is 2 comma minus 3. Let us say this point is x1 comma y1. Okay, so second one is Q, which is 10 comma y. Let us say it is x2 comma y2. They have given distance between the points is 10 units. Now I am applying the distance formula. What is distance formula? x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So let us put the value one more time. Don't write in exam with this type of handwriting. My handwriting is not okay today, so please don't mind it. The value of x1 2 and value of x2 10. Can you see no? x2 before comma it is 10. x1 it is 2 plus y1, just look, after comma it is minus 3. minus value of y2, you can see it is y, फिर से आ गया -3 minus y, we will treat it as positive, we will treat 3 plus y, ignore that minus, if square is there, if whole square is there, so 2 minus 10 is -8. Okay, one thing I forgot, the distance they have given it is 10, let us see, it is 10 plus, I am solving it, -3 minus y whole square, let us say 3 plus y whole square. Okay, in next line I am writing it, so you will not get confused. This whole square root, it is on every number, so I will send it here, it will become a square. -8 square, the square of it is 64, negative number square is, square of negative number is positive, plus a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 10 square is what? 100. 64. Say with me. 3 square is what? 9 plus y square plus 6y. Let us transpose them. I am keeping 0 here. Y square is here. 6y is here. What is 64 plus 9? It will be 73. And 100 will come here in minus. Okay, so let us write it here. 0 is equal to y square plus 6y. Just solve 73 minus 100. Just tell me what is the answer. Fast. Okay, it is 27. Now you know how to factorize it. First I will compare it from ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Value of a is 1, value of b is 6, value of c is -27. I need to do a into c, which will come -27. I need two numbers whose product should be -27 and sum should be 6. So it is 9 into -3. Okay, let us write our quadratic equation one more time. Y square plus, in place of 6 I am writing 9y minus 3y minus 27 is equal to 0. Let us take y common, y plus 9. Let us take -3 common, negative number will change the sign, divide by 3, it will become 9. Y plus, because I have taken -3 common. So in one bracket y minus 3, in one bracket y plus 9. Okay. So once I am keeping y minus 3 is equal to 0, the value of y will be 3. Then I will take y plus 9 is equal to 0, the value of y will be -9. So these are the two answers for it. Just note it down if you want to. Please note in very good handwriting. Okay. Now moving on, question number 9. Question number 9. If 0, 1 is equidistant from these 2 points, then find the value of x. Also find the distance between QR and PR. So I am not going to solve it. I am going to tell it one more time. If you are having doubt in this question, then you will message me in WhatsApp, and in next day I will explain this doubt. What is there? As you can see, they are saying one point is there, 0, 1, one more point 5, -3, and one more point x, 6. Point Q is equidistant from both the points. So you will find distance between Q and X. These 2 points, this is Q, this is R, this is P. And you will find distance between Q and P. After finding both the distance, you will keep both the distance equal. Let us say this is D1, let us say this is D2. Then square root cancel, and one quadratic equation will be formed. You will find, you will get 2 values of X. That 2 values you have to find. Once you have got value of x, then you will put, for example, it is coming 4. You will put the value of x. Ignore it. Then they are asking find QR and PR. So find QR, meaning x1, y1, x2, y2. Then find PR, treating x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. So you will do it. If it is not, you are not able to solve it, then you will message me. I will explain it in next day. Now look for question number 10. Find the relation between x and y. Okay, so let me solve it. Similar question hai, but let me solve it for you. Now they are saying relation between x and y. Okay, so now they are saying find the relation between x and y such that this point is equidistant from both the point. Let us say one point is 3, 6 and one more point is -3, 4. Little bit directly I am going to solve it. And one is x, y. So these 2 point distance and these 2 point distance is same. Let's say it is d1, it is d2. So first we find d1 and d2. So d1. Now let us do one thing. Together we are going to do one thing. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Imagine this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. We are going to apply formula directly. I am not writing the formula now. Just do it. x1, y1. What is value of x1? 3 minus x2, y2. What is value of x2? X plus y1 6 minus y2. It is y. Okay. So this is value of d1 now. Correct. Later we will solve. Let us find d2. Look, I am saying this is x1, y1. This is 4, x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So let us solve. x1 minus 3 minus x2 x plus y1. y1 is 4. y2 is y. They are saying both the distances are equal, so I am keeping d1 is equal to d2. d1 is root of 3 minus x whole square plus 6 minus y whole square is equal to d2. d2 is root of, should I ignore these minus because both are negative, square is there, so I am saying it is 3 plus x, okay, plus 4 minus y whole square. You can see both are having square root, so their square root can be cancelled. I have cancelled both the square root. Now I will get 3 minus x whole square plus 6 minus y whole square. It is 3 plus x. Okay, I forgot to write square here. It was square here. Square plus 4 minus y square. Now let us solve it. A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, plus a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to, now solve right hand side, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, I have written a as x, b as 3, no problem, plus a square plus b square, actually 4 minus y whole square, no, minus 2ab. Now look, 3 square is here in left hand side of equal and 3 square in right hand side of equal. 3 square को अगर मैं उधर भेजूँ माइनस का जाएगा और कैंसिल हो जाएगा, so I am cancelling it. Similarly x square, similarly y square. Now let us solve. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. So we are having minus 6x plus 6 square is 36 minus 6 to the 12, 12y is equal to 2 3s are 6, 6x minus 2 into 4 minus 8y. Let us transpose them all. So minus 6x plus 36 minus 12y और माइनस ये प्लस 6x इधर आएगा माइनस का, प्लस माइनस 8y इधर आएगा प्लस का, इज इक्वल टू 0. Look, minus 6x minus 6x, it is minus 12x. Minus 12y plus 8y, it is minus 4y. 36, actually 36 is there. Is there any other number? Only 36. 4 square should be there. No, I forgot. Look, 6 square was there, but I forgot that 4 square to write here. So 4 square was there. That 4 square will come here in minus, so it will be minus 16. Let me write it here. 36 minus 16 is plus 20. Now let us take minus 4 common. Minus has gone common, it will change the sign. it will change the sign, and 4 5 are 20, it will become negative, is equal to 0. This minus 4 will go in division of 0 because it is multiplication of everyone. So 0 divided by any number is 0. So I am having 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. What was the question? Find the relation between x and y. We have to find a relation between x and y, meaning only an equation we have to make. There is no need to solve it further. You cannot solve it. So simple, this is our answer. Okay, this equation they are asking, and we have made an equation by the given data. Correct, no? So now it is your duty to solve all the questions one more time. From next exercise you will solve. Tomorrow we will discuss next exercise. If you are having some doubt in that, then you can message me, and next day I will deal with those doubts. Okay, thank you.